First is that the country is still growing, albeit a bit slower, but it's still growing. Yeah, 5% GDP for a $3 trillion economy is still substantive. FMCG sector is still growing, both the volume and the value. And there are two important factors which impact the FMCG demand. Yeah. First is more money in the hands of more consumers. I think that's the critical factor. It is not about concentration of income in a few people. The more it is dispersed, because there are small ticket items, that's what spurs. And the second important bit is consumer confidence. I think the steps that the government have taken are all in the right direction. If you look at the corporate tax rate, this is not just a short-term thing. It strategically improves the country's competitiveness in terms of tax rate when you compare with other Southeast Asian nations. And this should lead to more investment, which in turn will lead to more employment and in turn the virtuous spiral coming into play. But this does take time. For a short term, I think it's very critical. If you look at the series of steps, the steps that the government took before the election and in the budget, whether it is on liquidity or whether it is on transferring more money to the farmers, that has to see the play happening. The other good bit has been the monsoons. I think monsoons in 30 out of 35 divisions has been adequate or above average rainfall. So that also augurs well. Yeah. And we should start seeing, hopefully, we are hopeful that things will start picking up. And as HUL, we never panic in a quarter when the demands are soft. And we never become very exuberant when the demands are looking very good. We play the game for a long term. Our strategy is long term. Whenever you raise question about price, I think we have to be conscious that we look at the price value equation. And there are various ways we spur. First, we don't cut back on our investment when it comes to market development and on building our brands, even when times are tough. So we will continue doing that. And that's how you build the long-term saliency of your brands, and you also expand the categories. So that's where our focus is going to be in the mid to long term. We have always, and we will remain bullish about the opportunities in India.